Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel automatic Zelle payment on Chase app. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Chase mobile application. Then you need to provide your username and your password, and you simply need to sign in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to choose the account for the card you want, and then you need to tap on show details. After that, you need to tap on manage, which is next to automatic payments, then tap on edit in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you need to change the amount, the pay from account or turn off automatic payments. Then you need to tap done, then confirm your choices. Finally, you need to tap on the option of update automatic payments, and this way you will be able to easily cancel automatic Zelle payments on Chase app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.